Question number 8 of exercise 13.3. The question is, a factory has two machines A and B. Past record shows that machine A produced 60% of the items of output and machine B produced 40% of the items. Further, 2% of the item produced by machine A and 1% produced by machine B were defective. All items were put into a stockpile and then one item is chosen at random from this and it is found to be defective. What is the probability that it was produced by machine B? Okay, so the question is quite simple. Two machines are in a factory. They are producing the complete output. A produces 60%, B produces 40% of the items. 2% of the item produced by the machine A and 1% of the item by the machine B were found to be defective. All the items which were produced by the machine A and B are put into a stockpile and one item is selected and it is found to be defective. What is the probability that it was produced by the machine B? This is what we have to do. Okay, so in this, to particularize, we have to find the probability that the item was produced by machine B given that the item is defective. Okay, so to solve this question, we assume E1 is the event that item is produced by machine A, E2 is the event that the item is produced by machine B, and D be the event that the item is defective, and we have to calculate the probability of E2 given D. That is a conditional probability that the item is produced by the machine B given that the item is defective. Okay, now probability of E1, probability that a particular item is produced by machine A is equal to 60 upon 100 or 6 upon 10, and probability of E2 is equal to 40 upon 100 is equal to 4 upon 10. It is a probability that the particular item which is selected is produced by the machine B. Okay, now to calculate the probability of E2 given D, we are going to use Bayes theorem, and this will be equal to probability of E2 given D would be equal to probability of E2 into probability of D given E2 whole upon probability of E1 into probability of D given E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of D given E2. So to solve further, we require these two values, probability of D given E1 and probability of D given E2. Okay, it is a probability that the item is defective given that it is produced by the machine A, and probability of D given E2 would be the conditional probability that the item is defective given that it is produced by machine B. Okay, so probability of D given E1 would be equal to the probability that the defective item is produced by machine A, and this would be equal to 2 by 100 because 2% of the item produced by machine A are found to be defective. And similarly, probability of D given E2 would be equal to 1 upon 100 because the probability of the defective item produced by machine B is equal to 1%. Okay, so we have to just fit the values of probability of E2, probability of E1, probability of D given E2 and probability of D given E1 to get the probability that the item is produced by machine B given that the item is defective. So probability of E1, probability of E2, probability of D given E1, probability of D given E2 are placed here, and we are going to get the expression like this. Okay, 4 upon 10 into 1 upon 100, 6 upon 10 into 2 upon 100, 4 upon 10 into 1 upon 100. All these values are going to cancel out. These 10, 100, 10, 100, 10, 100, and we are going to get this as equal to 4 upon 12 plus 4, that is equal to 1 by 4, and which is equal to the required answer. Friends, thanks for watching my video. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest updates, subscribe and like the videos on these channels on YouTube, HSK Shiksha and Math Help by HSK. Thank you.